What are these addition formulae? Example, sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b. Sine of a plus b nothing but addition of angle A and angle B. So sine of a plus b, this is the addition formula. Sine of a minus b is a subtraction formula. Similarly, cos of a plus b, this is addition, and cos of a minus b, this is subtraction. Similarly, tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b. So today I am going to talk about how to expand sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b, tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b. How to read this? Don't read sine a plus b. Read as sine of a plus b. The of means the bracket, the presence of the bracket. So sine, don't read as a sine a minus b. Read as a sine of a minus b. So whenever some bracket is placed after the trigonometric ratio written here, like cos is written after the cos, if you are writing x plus y, so don't read it as cos x plus y. Read as cos of x plus y. Similarly, cos x minus y, don't read cos x minus y. Read as cos of x minus y. So today I will tell you how to expand this trigonometric expressions, these trigonometric ratios for addition of angle, where a and b are angles. So addition of angles and a minus b is a subtraction of angles. The difference of angles also there, and this is the addition of angles. So today I am going to tell you how to expand this all trigonometric ratios for a plus b, a minus b, and for sec, cot and cosec I am not going to talk about, because majorly in all colleges sine, cos and tan are utilized. Therefore I am going to talk about sine, cos and tan. First of all, sine of a plus b equals to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So this is the expanded form of sine of a plus b. So we can call as a addition formula for sine of a plus b. Now example, suppose somebody asks you to find out sine 105 degree equals to how much? Then sine 105 can be written as 105 can be written as 60 plus 45. So 60 equals to a and 45 equals to b. So it can be expanded as sine a, that is sine 60, cos b, that is cos 45, plus cos a, that is cos 60, and sine b, that is sine 45. Now we put the respective values of these ratios, like sine 60 is equals to root 3 by 2, cos 45 equals to 1 upon root 2, and cos 60 equals to 1 by 2, and sine 45 equals to 1 upon root 2. So this is equals to root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now here the denominators are equal, therefore we can write root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Therefore sine 105 degree equals to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. This way the sine of a plus b formula can be utilized. Now second formula, sine of a minus b equals to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So this is a expansion of sine of a minus b. Example, suppose you wish to find out sine 15 degrees equals to how much? So sine 15 degree equals to how much? How you can find out? So A equals to 45 degree and B equals to 30 degrees. 45 minus 30 equals to sine 15. So 45 equals to A and 30 equals to B. Now we will expand this expression. So we get sine 45 and cos 30 minus cos 45 and sine 30. After that we write down the respective values of sine 45, cos 30, cos 45, sine 30, like that. So sine 45 equals to 1 upon root 2 and cos 30 nothing but root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 and sine 30 equals to 1 upon 2. So this can be written as root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. So equals to root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. This is nothing but sine 15. Thus sine of A minus B formula can be utilized to find out the values of trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. Now the third one, cos of A plus B. Expansion form of cos of A plus B equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Suppose you wish to find out cos 105 degree equals to how much? Then what you can do? You have to search two standard angles such that their addition equals to 105. What are the standard angle? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These are the standard angles. If you wish to find out cos 105, then you see that the either addition or subtraction of any two standard angles will provide us 105. So that is nothing but 60 plus 45 equals to 105. Therefore, to find cos 105, I take the combination of 60 plus 45. Now we'll apply the formula. What is the formula? Cos of A plus B equals to cos A. So 60 nothing but A and 45 nothing but B. So what we do now? Cos A, that is cos 60, cos B, that is cos 45, minus sin A, that is sin 60, and sin B, that is sin 45 degrees. And after that, what you do? You write down the values of these trigonometric ratios for respective angles, like cos 60 nothing but 1 by 2, cos 45 nothing but 1 upon root 2, sin 60 nothing but root 3 by 2, and sin 45 equals to 1 upon root 2. So this is equals to, this will give us the cos 45, that is equals to 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. The denominators are equal, so we get 1 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2. This is required answer for cos 105. So cos 105 equals to 1 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2. In this way, by using the compound angle or addition angle of cos can be utilized to find out some other values which are not a part of standard angles. So suppose you wish to find out cos 150. So what you can do? Cos 150 can be obtained by the cos 60 plus 90. If you perform cos 60 plus 90, you will get the cos 150 degrees. Now fourth formula, cos of A minus B equals to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Suppose we wish to find out cos 15 degree equals to how much? Then you have to select two standard angle such that their subtraction equals to 15 degrees. Example, 45 degree minus 30 degree equals to 15 degrees. Therefore, cos 15 degrees can be written as cos of 45 minus 30. where 45 equals to A and 30 equals to B. Now we'll expand this formula. So what we get here, cos 45 and cos 30 plus sine 45 and sine 30 degrees. So they are all degrees. In trigonometry, we use two types of angles. One is the radians, another is the degrees. What are degrees and radians? I have already made a video on that one. You can go to that one. So cos 45, cos 30, sin 45, sin 30. Cos 45 nothing but 1 upon root 2. Cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Sin 45 1 upon root 2. Sin 30 equals to 1 by 2. Simplifying, we get root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. That is nothing but cos 15 equals to. So denominators are equal. So we can add the numerators. So we get cos 15 equals to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So this way cos of A minus B can be utilized to find some other suitable angles. Now fifth one, tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Suppose you want to find out tan 105 degree equals to how much? So 105, the addition of two standard angles must be equals to 105. So what are those two standard angles? They are 60 and 45 degrees. Therefore, to find out tan 105 degree, that is equals to tan of 60 plus 45 degrees. Now applying into the formula, so tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Now writing down the respective values and simplifying, we get the tan 105. So tan 60 nothing but root 3 tan 45 equals to 1 upon 1 minus root 3 into 1. So that is equals to root 3 plus 1 upon 1 minus root 3. That is equals to tan 105. It can be further simplified by using rationalizing. So further simplification is left to you. Just I wanted to show you the idea how to find out tan 105. So we got here tan of 105 equals to root 3 plus 1 upon 1 minus root 3. Now last one is tan of A minus B equals to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Suppose you wish to find tan 15 degree equals to how much? Then 15 can be written as 45 minus 30. 45 equals to A and 30 equals to B. We can put into the formula tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A and tan B. Now writing their respective values, tan 45 1, tan 31 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 into 1 upon root 3. Simplifying further, we get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So that is equals to tan of 15 degrees. Simplification can be done further like rationalizing the denominator. That part is left to the student. So tan 15 equals to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. That's all for the day. I hope now you are clear with addition and subtraction formulae in trigonometry. Even though if you have more doubts regarding, communicate with me on my email address provided in the description box. Remember to subscribe the channel, share with your friends and like the video. Meet you again with another video another time. Till then, wish you good luck. Bye bye. Meet you again.